In this tutorial, I'll show you how to review changes made by ChatGPT Codex before adding them to your project. Start by signing into your ChatGPT account and opening the Codex workspace. Once you're inside, open the coding task that is finished running. When the task is complete, you'll be able to review everything Codex changed. Open the changes or diff view to compare the original code with the updated version. The highlighted sections make it easy to see exactly what was added, removed, or modified. This helps you understand the impact of the proposed changes before accepting them. For example, if you ask Codex to improve a Python program, you might see that it renamed variables, reorganized functions, removed duplicate code, or added comments to make the program easier to read. Or if you ask Codex to update a website, the changes view may show new HTML elements, improved CSS styling, or JavaScript updates that implement the requested feature. After reviewing the code differences, read Codex's explanation of the changes. The summary describes what was modified and why those improvements were made. If the task included running tests or build commands, review the results as well. Confirm that the tests completed successfully and that there are no unexpected errors before approving the changes. If you notice something you'd like to improve, continue the conversation with Codex. For example, you can ask it to simplify the code, improve performance, add comments, or modify a specific section without starting over. Once you're satisfied with the implementation, approve the changes and commit or merge them into your repository using your normal development workflow. Reviewing every AI-generated change before accepting it is an important habit. It helps you maintain code quality, catch potential issues early, and understand exactly how your project is evolving. And that's how to review changes made by ChatGPT Codex, compare the original and updated code, read the AI's explanations, verify the test results, request revisions if needed, and approve the final implementation.